Welcome to Video 3 of Section 1 of Creating Reports with SQL Server 2012 Reporting Services. This video's topic is tabular report types and their configuration. Upon completing this video, you will know when to use a tabular report and the configuration options for tabular reports presented in the Report Wizard. Also, we will be on our way to creating tabular reports like the one shown here. We will pick up where we were in the previous video. On the Design the Query page, click on Next to display the Select the Report Type page. The report type we choose is heavily dependent upon the query and the type of information we are trying to convey in the report. Tabular reports are good for showing data in rows and columns where the header row is fixed and the information is listed like a roster. Matrix reports are best suited for looking at measure data in two dimensions such as year and product or year and gender. This screen will not allow for the creation of pie charts and bar graphs. These will be discussed later. Select the Tabular Radio button and click on Next to display the Design the Table page. The designing of tabular reports through the Report Wizard is time-saving and effortless. Page breaks will be created for each distinct value for what are the column or columns in the page level displayed fields box. The fields at the group level will be grouped together on the report. This functionality is similar to the functionality available in an SQL group by clause. The fields at the detail level will be displayed at the lowest level on the report, typically on each row. In our report example, let's click on Purchase Year in Available Fields, then click on Page. Click on Product Category, then Group. Click on Gender, then Group. Click on Quantity Purchased, then Details. Click on Amount Spent, then Details. If you make a mistake, select the incorrect field from its displayed field box and click on Remove. In this example, there will be a page break in the report for every distinct purchase year value. The quantity purchased and amount spent values will be grouped by product category and gender. Click on Next to move to the Choose the Table Layout page. On the Choose the Table Layout page, we are given the option of Stepped or Block Layout. Stepped will allow for placement of subtotals at the top of the group and allow for drill down. Block will allow for subtotals at the bottom of the group. We will select the Stepped Radio button. We will check Include Subtotals to display subtotals for our groupings. We will also check Enable Drill Down to turn on the drill down functionality. In Section 4, we will go into more detail about drill down reports. Let's click on Next. Table style is simply the theme in which we will display the report. On the Choose the Table Style page, we are presented with 6 built-in color schemes for our reports. The style you choose is your preference. If this is the first report in your Visual Studio project, clicking on Next will take you to the Choose the Deployment Location page. If this is not the first report in your Visual Studio project, clicking on Next will take you to the Completing the Wizard page. Both the Choose the Deployment Location and Completing the Wizard pages are discussed in Video 5. In summary, tabular reports are good for showing data in rows and columns on a page or screen where the information is listed like a roster. The Design the Table page will help you become more efficient by saving time and effort when creating tabular reports. The Stepped Table layout allows for the placement of subtotals at the top of the group and allows for drill down, while a Block Table layout allows for subtotals to be placed at the bottom of the group.